Assalamualaikum. Dear all, this is Dr. Saeeduddin Ahmed, Associate Professor at NED University. I am the coordinator for the Development Studies program. Development Studies program is a 4 years degree program which is being offered at the Department of Architecture and Planning, NED University. This is the first undergrad degree program that is being offered in Pakistan. Development Studies program is a multidisciplinary program which teaches various stream of courses, that is sociology stream of courses, economic stream of courses, finance stream of courses, and of course the development studies related specific courses.
What is interesting about the program is that we have visiting faculty coming from different organizations and fields, and this creates an excellent opportunities for students to connect with these people and land jobs at organizations like the United Nations, World Bank and local NGO.
इस कैंपस में तालिब इल्मों की तालीमी सरगर्मियों और दिलचस्पियों के अलावा गैर निसाबी सरगर्मियों का भी इंतज़ाम किया जाता है। इसमें तालिब इल्मों को अपनी तख्लीक़ी सरगर्मियाँ, अपनी अदबी सरगर्मियाँ और अपनी दीगर गैर निसाबी जो सरगर्मियाँ हैं उनके इजहार का मौका मिलता है।
I am very happy to talk about the Bachelor of Science program in Development Studies that is being offered at the NED University of Engineering and Technology. May I inform the learned audience that the Bachelor of Science and Development Studies program has been offered in this university for quite some time. It is located at the NED University City Campus, which is the place from where actually NED University began its journey about 1 century ago. The Bachelor of Science and Development Studies program prepares the students for the multifarious development challenges that this country and the region faces.
The Development Studies program is one of the two degree programs that the Department of Architecture and Planning offers. Both of these programs have the privilege of being housed at the NED University City Campus, which is located within the city center, and both the students from both of these programs get the privilege of experiencing the realities of the city by being housed in this very privileged location.
My journey at NED University has been an amazing adventure for me, shaping my perspective and fueled my passion for national and international development.
And Development Studies program has added a lot of value in my personal life as well as in my career. And to be honest, I find myself lucky that I was able to be a part of this program.
From my first job to the current role, the learning from Development Studies helped me to be curious and polish my skills of understanding root causes, better analytical skills, and learning the community.
डेवलपमेंट स्टडीज़ मुझे तहकीक करने के मुख्तलिफ मराहिल सिखाता है, जैसे कि एक प्राइमरी रिसर्च या सेकेंडरी रिसर्च किस तरीके से किया जाता है, एक इंटरव्यू कैसे लिया जाता है, लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा को कलेक्ट करके एनालिसिस करके उस मसले का हल कैसे निकाला जाता है। तो इन सब चीज़ों को समझने में और इसको अपने काम में नाफिज करने में डीएस मेरी मदद करता है। शुक्रिया।
And the best thing about development studies is its interdisciplinary nature, which not only allows the graduate to seek job in multiple sectors, but it also allows the individuals to develop a holistic understanding of socio-economic issues